Druzy Jaspers. They're so earthy. These are beautiful, rare orbicular ocean jaspers. Just absolutely stunning. How much that? Hold on, my love. Maki said, oh, this live stream is by request? Okay. You don't have earphones? Uh-oh. And this is a very large green ocean jasper tower. Very, very large. And very, very sparkly. Like a girl's best friend. This one, Maki. Wait, this one, Maki, or the pink one? We haven't done the whole table scan yet. But also the lavender. Maki, this plume agate, this one has the lavender soft lilac druzy. And this is 110. It has a very, very beautiful polish. Very, very smooth. I hope to get more in. Very, very white. See that lilac color? It's got a beautiful lilac, like a soft white lilac, hint of lilac druzy there. There, you can see it right there also. Tony's working also. So I hope I'm able to get you guys through work, or make go work faster so it can go by faster. Lots of druzy. Otherwise, it has a smooth, clean polish. Beautiful quality. Okay, that is. I do want watch live stream. I do once watch live stream through working time. I do too. I keeps me entertained. And this one is 160. It's a larger one, and this one has moss agate inclusions. Do you see the moss leaves? See all the moss, Maki? Look at all the moss there. Super beautiful. I think Siren would actually really love this a lot too. She said, oh dear. Maki, just take a screenshot and you can send me a DM later. If it's not yet claimed,